My name is Rosa Tyyskä. I'm 25 years old, Cyr-Ring performer from Finland, Helsinki. I started to do circus when I was 10 years old in youth circus in Helsinki as well. And when I was 20, I went to Circus Schule in Lahti, and I did 3 years there. And in my second year, I started to do Cyr-Ring. I graduated 2 years ago, and since then I've been working as a professional circus artist, mostly in Germany. I did festival in Basel, Switzerland, and in Germany, Sol y Circo festival. And yes, a lot of variety work, traveling. This act, what I'm performing here, is my graduation work, and I came up with the idea because the music is really strong and I'm using a lot of speed and kind of aggression. It's my first time to be part of this big show and tour, and I'm really excited to be part of it. And performing with thousands of people watching is really nice experience.